Welcome to my channel. If you enjoy watching this video, you can help me by hitting the subscribe button. Enjoy watching! So it's after lunch. Since we are free and we don't have that much plan for today, we decided to go for a walk. And the walk is around here in the lake, or in Slovak we call it Domasha. Today is so nice to go for a walk. Plus, me and my husband enjoy walking. And there's a bell sound. We used to bring bells every time we go for a walk to avoid wild animals. It's something that you don't want to encounter during the walk. So, this is going to be a long walk. The day is nice, sun is up, birds are singing. And look at that! Mineral spring water. Let's take a look. Spring water. I need drink. I don't want to. Yeah, they said that this water can be drink. Water came from here. And this water goes down, going to the lake. We call lake as Domasha. Let's go. It's Domasha, right? And Undava is river.
Yes, it is, baby. Yes, it is.
So let's continue our walk. They said there's a hidden church here, so we want to see it. It's going to be a long walk. And there you go. Nice view. The church is sitting right in front of the lake. Nice one. It's really hidden because it was in deep wood wherein you won't know until you get here. So it's really nice. It's sitting right in front of the lake. The view was so nice. It makes me want to go for a nap. Oh, I've been there. I've been there one time. Sitting here makes me realize like I miss Philippines. It feels like I was just sitting by the beach. And maybe this summer we could go for a kayak. Look at them, riding in small boat, enjoying the sunny weather. Feels so nice. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, follow for more updates. More videos will be posted soon. Bye!